How to fix Roblox freezing issue. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Roblox. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now head to the home screen and open up settings. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now find Roblox. Now click on force stop. Go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now restart the application. If nothing solves your issue, tap on uninstall, tap on OK, again open up your Play Store and install Roblox. You can also try updating your Android device. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on a specific topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.